Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to fix iPhone half keyboard missing problem. So after your last iOS update, if you're facing this error, half keyboard is missing, don't worry, I'll show you how you can easily fix this problem. The first solution is you have to give a simple restart. Sometime restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of issues. So all you have to need, go to your iPhone settings app and tap on General, scroll down and tap on Shutdown and give a simple restart, and then hope your iPhone half keyboard missing problem will be fixed now. And if you're still having the same error, then you have to update your iOS again. So go to your iPhone settings and tap on General and tap on Software Update. If you see any new update available, just update the latest version of the iOS version, and that's how you will be able to fix half keyboard missing problem. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.